On the left-hand side, go to Templates, and in the Recently Used section, pick out the template that you chose to edit your design. So in this example, I was using this template here. So I can either replace the current page, which will replace this design, or I can add it as a new page. So if I click Replace Current Page, my original design is now gone, and I can start with a clean slate. However, if I want to just add it as a new page, I can do that as well. I can move it to the top or to the bottom, depending on my own preference. I can lock the entire contents of this page so I cannot edit anything, and I'm just using this as a reference. Or if I just want to start editing this template again, I can do so as well. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.